2 months after PG&E did its first emergency power shutoff, state regulators now considering new rules for utility companies that engage in that practice. Many customers say PG&E disrupts, even endangers lives with their emergency power shutoff program. So the California Public Utilities Commission is now considering new rules on when and where utilities like PG&E can de-energize their power lines.
I think that's probably a good idea. We all need to be safe. I understand PG&E's, they're trying to prevent, but also there's an oversight to these things, so I would agree with that.
They've got to do something to help mitigate the fire damage that they're causing, whether it be shutting off the power or maintaining more of their lines. They've got to do something.
The PUC now holding workshops to consider implementing new rules for utility companies, such as examining conditions for de-energizing lines, developing best practices, and examining whether there are ways to reduce the need to de-energize lines.
I appreciate the fact that it'd be a good prevention measure. The other side of it is that there's a lot of people that are impacted by that very severely, particularly people with disabilities.
This past October, PG&E did its first emergency power shutoff in Northern California. It's unknown if it prevented any wildfires, but it was met with lots of criticism. Consumer advocates say state regulators have had plenty of time to learn from that experience.
When the PUC says, let's study it, that's kicking the can down the road. PG&E turned off the lights unexpectedly in October, but, they've had plenty of time to start looking into that, and they should have been able to make some kind of a determination about whether the utility was right to do what it did.
Well, PG&E issued a statement regarding the PUC's decision to consider new rules. It reads in part, PG&E supports the Commission's continued efforts in looking into this critical issue and examining the rules for proactively de-energizing power lines. The Public Utilities Commission has scheduled more town hall meetings for next month in Southern California, but there's no time frame as to when or if any rules will be implemented. Aaron, Dan.
Felix, thank you.